fixed it. Look, this is how I measured this wall here. So all the other stuff is done. I measured it. I've got internal there. I got 3350 in between these two. Because if I go 3600, it's gonna land right there and that's not enough. So I came back 3300. How you doing? I wanna talk to you, man. I wanna talk to you, man. My next piece is gonna be 4200. So I got a piece that's 3650, 3600. I also have another piece that's 4800. I have to have a butt joint because even a piece 6 meter long is not gonna be enough. It's always important to have a butt joint somewhere around the window. Like that, so I'm gonna have my butt joint here. I have another butt joint there because it's a small butt joint. Same thing there. Whereas if I have it in the middle here somewhere, it would be a big butt joint. And butt joints are not good for business. So they're gonna hang this right now. And we'll go through how they're doing it. Right, so because I changed the blade, I should be able to cut this piece deep and clean. Okay? Remember, I'm still hitting it from behind. New blade cuts it deeper and clean. So if I come to cut the back, it should be a nice clean cut. Guarantee you. Can you see that? Right there. It's a nice clean cut because I used the blade. Change your blade, sir. Very good. I'm ready. Yo. Oh shit, true. Oh shit, I'll go. Now it's back block. Oh no, you don't have a choice. Oh. It's no double timber, man. One timber every now and then, double timber. Oh, I helped the boys today. Go Sunika! Sunika! Fuck, that looks high, man. The distance from the rib bay to the bottom over there, I've got 1380. Over there at the end of this shit, I've got 1250. Right? That's 80 mil difference. The plasterboard is 1350, right? That means by the time it sits on there, that's not too bad there. But by the time we get to that, it's gonna be a bit funny. So if I get my choke line and the choke line 1350 to my 1250 on the full piece, it's not gonna be good. That means I'm gonna have a big 30 mil gap all the way through to the end, and I don't wanna do that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna measure from the rib bay and find my 1350. I'm gonna find a point that my 1350 hits the ground, but I want it to be 10 mil off the ground. I wanna find that 10 mil off the ground, roughly there. I'm gonna mark that there. So this is where my 1350 hits the ground. From here to there, it's telling me that it's 30 mil difference, and that's not good. So I'm gonna measure from this wall to my mark there, and I've got 580. Okay? Now I'm gonna come over here. This is the side I was measuring from. Very loud. So I'm gonna go 580 on the bottom. Mark my 580 on the bottom. That's my 1350. Now look at it. I've already measured my 1200, 1250 on this side. I'm gonna hook my choke line on here. And I'm gonna go all the way to here. Right? Right to nothing. I'm gonna choke line that way tight. Just like that. Now, I'll show you just for example, if I would have went all the way to the end and I choke lined my 1200 piece, like I was saying before. This piece is not sitting right, but look. Look at it, right? So that means this piece here, this is the difference. I'm screwing. Look at me work. But I do the candy, man. Yeah, now we're good. Did you see me work?
Why you giving my? I have already have my.
Oh.
Still come down.
Huh?
Still come down. Again.
No. Did you see me screw? I was screwing. That's exactly what I was talking about with the difference, right? We got a straight cut there, got a big gap over here, but he only starts at 580. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Thank you, sir.